Hey, this is David coming to you from Miller's RV in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Today we're going to take a look at our 2012 Roadtrek 210 Popular. Before we jump into this, I want you to go ahead and subscribe, click that little notification bell, and like our videos. Communicate with us. We love to hear from y'all. We love to communicate with you. Let us know what else you want to see. Let us know if you like what you are seeing. All right, so let's take a look now at the 2012 Popular. One of the best things about this unit is its size. Whether you're at a McDonald's, whether you're at a Walmart, or whether you're having to go get gas at a filling station, it's going to be real easy maneuverability. You don't have to worry about what's on your left and what's on your right. This thing's going to be, you can park this pretty much in any normal parking spot, and that's huge, especially for somebody who's a beginner. Outside, you're going to have this big awning on the passenger side of the coach. It's going to give you plenty of shade, whether you're cooking or whether you're just sitting down enjoying some time with family and friends. You got plenty of time and plenty of room out here in the shade on the side of this coach. Let's go ahead and take a step inside so I can show you some of the features on the inside of this coach. I think you're really going to like this 210 Popular. All right, here we are inside the Roadtrek 210 Popular. This is hands down one of my favorite units. For two people out exploring America, getting out and about, it doesn't get a whole lot better than this. You've got everything you need in here to be completely comfortable. You've got, of course, your sink, 2-burner stove, microwave, refrigerator. You got a bathroom. You've got, with the push of a button, you can convert this front-facing rear sofa into a king-size bed. So to have a bed this size in a unit this small is just huge. Like I said, you push this button and drop this thing down into a king-size bed. During the day, you want maneuverability inside your coach. You want to be able to maneuver in your kitchen, do things and get around. The bed's not going to be in your way. It's going to be a couch. By the way, that couch also has 3 seat belts in the back if you've got passengers inside of here. When you're ready to go to bed at night, or whether you just want to kick back and watch some TV, because you got your TV with your DVD player back here, throw your bed out and you're good to go. Everything you need in here at the touch of your fingertips. You start your generator and kill your generator right here. That's going to power your AC and your microwave. You're able to check all your tank levels with the push of a button from right up here. We've got an inverter on this unit to give you 110 and some of these 110 outlets for you when you're out camping. What else could you ask for? This is hands down one of my favorite units. We've talked a lot about the maneuverability of this van and it being so special because of how small it is and easy to get around from place to place. Look, when you're behind the wheel of this van, it really gives you the feel like you're just driving a regular old minivan. And it's really not that much bigger width and lengthwise than a regular minivan. So for people a little bit more apprehensive, a little new at this, getting behind the wheel of this is going to be nothing to it. You're going to feel very confident, very comfortable moving this thing around. Like I said earlier, whether you're at a McDonald's or a gas station, there's not going to be any issues with moving this thing around at all. Up front of this unit, you've got 3 cool little windows. It's the traditional Roadtrek trademark windows up front. Look, natural light, everybody loves natural lighting. You can pull those panels off, let the natural light come inside the coach, or keep them covered if you want to keep the heat out because it gets a little warm when the sun can come through there. You're going to have no problem keeping cool in this coach. You got the Cool Cat AC right here behind us. Whether you're plugged in or running the generator, that thing's going to keep this coach cool. Not going to have any problem at all. It's hot in Louisiana, but this is a smaller coach. You'll have no issues with that. Up front, you've got your navigation system. It's actually got a TomTom built into the dashboard. So when you're driving, you can simply put in your directions, put in where you want to go, and it's going to walk you through it all the way there. Again, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. Watch our content. We love communicating with you. My name is David with Miller's RV here in Baton Rouge, and remember, as always, enjoy the journey.
Hey, thank you so much for watching our video. We hope that you found it both informative and entertaining. If you would, like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you can see everything new that's coming out as well. If you have any questions or comments, please list them below. Also tell us anything else you would like us to do a video on. Again, this is Jeff at Miller's RV. Enjoy the journey and click on one of the links to watch another video by us.